Once upon a time, in a field bursting with bright red poppies, lived a tiny green poppy seed named Pip. Pip was impatient, oh so impatient. He longed to join his brothers and sisters, swaying in the summer breeze and basking in the golden sun. When will it be my turn to blossom? Pip grumbled, watching his siblings dance happily in the wind. I'm tired of being green and small. I want to be big and beautiful, just like them. Days turned into weeks, and Pip grew tired of waiting. He poked and prodded his stem, hoping to force himself to grow faster. He even tried sneaking some sunshine from his taller siblings, but nothing worked. Pip remained stubbornly green and small. One scorching afternoon, a mischievous ladybug named Luna landed on Pip's stem. "Why the long face, little seed?" she chirped. Pip poured out his woes about being stuck green and his burning desire to bloom. Luna listened patiently, then giggled. "Little Pip," she said, "growing takes time. Just like the sun needs to rise in the morning and set in the evening, every flower has its own pace. Being patient doesn't mean you're weak. It means you're strong enough to trust the process." Pip pondered Luna's words. He watched the bees humming around his siblings, gathering pollen for their hives. He saw the butterflies landing on their bright petals, flitting from flower to flower. He began to understand that blooming wasn't just about being showy. It was about playing a vital role in the world around him. Days turned into weeks, and Pip continued to wait patiently. He basked in the sun, drank the rain, and listened to the whispers of the wind. He didn't force anything, just let nature take its course. One morning, Pip woke up feeling different. His stem felt taller, his green coat stretched thinner. With a gentle push, he finally broke free from his pod, unfurling into a magnificent red. Pip was overjoyed. He swayed in the breeze, his petals dancing with his siblings. He welcomed the bees and butterflies, sharing his pollen and nectar with joy. He finally understood that patience wasn't just about waiting. It was about appreciating the journey of growth and eventually discovering the beauty that unfolds when the time is right. From that day on, Pip the Poppy became known for his patience and wisdom. He reminded everyone, young and old, that good things come to those who wait, and that the most beautiful flowers bloom after patiently soaking up the sun and nurture. This story teaches children the importance of patience in a relatable and engaging way. By using the metaphor of a poppy seed waiting to bloom, children can understand that good things take time, and that rushing things often leads to frustration. The ladybug character adds a touch of humor and wisdom, further reinforcing the message of the story.